Dear learners, this is Sindhu Sarkar and this is our English version senior section, Milestone School and College. Welcome you all to our online class. I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty and you have been doing well with your educational activities. Dear learners, I hope you all are joining the Zoom classes and online classes to run the educational progress. Dear learners, sitting at home, you are getting all kinds of educational assistance from us. You know, your midterm exam is knocking at the door, so you have to take preparation for that and you have to read more. As usually, I am going to conduct another class with you. Before going to conduct this class, I hope you will pay attention right from the beginning. So dear learners, let's get started with the lesson. Before going to start our today's lesson, I am going to make some questions from the previous lesson. So, first question from the right form of verbs. Someone be present there. Be is in the bracket. What will be the answer? Yes, someone is present there. You know, someone, anyone, it indicates singular and verb will be singular. So, someone is present there. Then, either he or I be present there. So, what will be the answer? Yes, either he or I am present there. Now, next question for you. Either he or I be mistaken. So, what will be the answer? Yes, either he or I am mistaken. Either in case of either or, neither nor, you have to use the verb according to the last subject. Now, third question for you. It is from transformation. He is never lazy. You have to make it affirmative. So, what will be the answer? Yes, he is always active. You know, in case of always, we have to use never. And then sometimes we use the opposite word. Here active, the opposite word of lazy. Yes. Now, next question for you. Everyone will help him. You have to make it negative. Everyone will help him. So in case of every, we have to use there is no. So you can use this one if you make it negative. There is no one but will help him. Okay, dear learners, now another question for you. All respect and honest man. All respect and honest man. You have to make it interrogative. What will be the answer? Yes, all, everyone. In case of, if you get as subject, you can use who in case of interrogative. Okay, so who doesn't respect an honest man? It is an present indefinite tense, that's why I have used here doesn't. If it was the past tense, in that case we have to use didn't. Okay, so dear learners, this is the lessons from the previous lesson. Now we are going to start our today's lesson. Dear learners, model question 11. In the model question 11, you are getting a passage. In your EFT book, you will also get it. You will also get over there. Okay. So, word meanings. This passage talks about, the bulbul. Bulbul, is a rubbish collector. He collects rubbish from Shankar area in Dhaka. Every morning he wakes up and he collects the rubbish. But, for 2 days he was ill and it made a serious trouble for the people of that area. So from this passage I have given here some word meanings. So here rubbish, it indicates garbage or waste matter. Then bin indicates pot or bucket. Then collect means gather. Then dirty means filthy. Okay, then smell. Smell means scent. Then believe, that means trust. Okay, then pile. Pile indicates heap. Then unhygienic, it indicates insanitary. Then realize, it indicates understand. So these are the word meanings we have got from the model question 11. Now we are going to get some more questions. Okay. Hello dear learners. Now word meanings from model question 13. Here guest means visitor, then local, that is related to a place, domestic or national. Local means related to a place, domestic or national. Then often indicates sometimes or frequently. Then forget indicates be unable to remember. Forget indicates be unable to remember. Okay. Then necessary, it means indispensable or essential. Indispensable or essential. Then conversation, it indicates dialogue. Then enough indicates sufficient. Enough indicates sufficient. Then eggplant indicates brinjal. So dear learners, these are the word meanings from model question 13. Now we are going to start another model question. Hello dear learners. Word meanings from model question 15. Around, that indicates across. Then slowly, it means gradually or steadily. Then attitude, it indicates way of thinking or outlook. Okay. Then cure means remedy or medicine. Then ancient indicates old. Then prescribe means suggest. So these are the word meanings from the model question 15. You know, model question 15, we have given these word meanings. Okay dear learners, from model question 16, you know, from 2 number questions you are getting phrases over there, and then you are getting some question answers. Okay. So here I have given some questions from model question 16 and 2 number question, that is what are still in practice today. Then second number question, how have some ancient treatment system come to us. Then what do rural people use to get rid of skin problems. Then what are people doing towards medicine. These are the questions. Now write it down in your CW copy. I am also giving the answers. So answer of the first question, what are still in practice today? So here some ancient treatment systems are still practiced today. Are still in practice today. Now, answer of the second question, how have some ancient treatment system come to us? So it will be some ancient treatment systems have come to us through generations. macro generations. Now, what do rural people use to get rid of skin problems? What do rural people do to get rid of skin problems? Rural people use garlic, neem, turmeric to get rid of skin problems. To get rid of skin problems. Okay. Now, answer of the last question. What are people doing towards medicine? People are changing their attitudes people are changing their attitudes towards medicine. So, dear students, these are the answers of this question. I have given here 4 questions and these are the answers. Write it down in your CW copy. Dear learners, from model question 13, I have given here some questions. First question, how are people in good health? In model question 13, 2 number question, 2 number portion, you will get that. Okay. After MCQ, you are getting a passage in 2 number, then in that passage, you are getting these questions. Okay. So here, first question, how people are in good health. Then second question, who can help others in society. Then third question, who are in active, cheerful and happy. Then fourth question, what are essential for good health. Okay. Dear learners, write it down in your CW copy. Answer. How are people in good health? The people in good health. The people in good health are active, cheerful and happy. Okay. Now, second question, who can help others in society? So the answer will be the people in good health or you can say healthy people. Okay, the people in good health can help others in society. Okay. Now, who are active, cheerful and happy? So, answer will be healthy people. Healthy people are active, cheerful and happy. Okay. Now write down the answer of these questions. Final question. What are essential for good health? Write it down. Proper food and nutrition, regular physical exercise, regular physical exercise, sleep and rest, and proper medical care are essential for good health. Medical care are essential for good health. For good health. So dear learners, these are the answers, from model question 13, 2 number. From 2 number you have got 4 questions here and these are the answers. I think all of you have written it in your CW copy. So now we are going for another portion. Okay dear learners, here model question 13 you are getting here information transfer. You have got a passage about Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and Hazrat Ali. Here complete the following table with the information given in the passage. So according to the passage we are going to complete it in your Navadut book. You will get in model question number 13 3A. So according to the passage we are going to solve it. Now Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam brought up in the A, it will be brought up Hazrat Ali. Okay, then Hazrat Ali dash, it will be was attacked. Here indicates time or place. So here we have got the place here in Kufa. Then he died in 66 on AD. Okay, dear learners, so in case of information transfer you will get here at first you are getting a who or name. So here you have to give the name actually, who or name of the person. Then event, second row you have to give event or activities. You have to write event or activities. Then here you are getting an information time, place or whom. So at first you are getting who or name, then event or activity, then time, place or whom. According to the passage you will find it out and then you will write it here. Okay, so these are the things. Now we are going to start another portion. Dear learners, here model question 14 3B, you will get a first passage here. Okay, according to the passage we are going to solve this true false. So according to the passage, in the passage we are getting information about Shakespeare, and about his writings. Now according to that passage from model question 14 we are going to solve this true false. So here we get the true false in the first question. Here Shakespeare is mostly known for his sonnets. Then second question, he was born in England. Then third, he wrote 37 dramas. Then fourth, his name and fame is still unrivaled. Then five, number question and final, he painted only tragic type of character in his plays. So according to the passage we are going to solve it. So first one, Shakespeare is mostly known for his sonnets. It is false. It is false. So what will be the answer? False. Okay. Now answer will be correct answer. Shakespeare is mostly known both for his sonnets and plays. So actually he is mostly known for his both for his sonnets and plays, not only for his sonnets. Now number two, he was born in England. It is true. So here the answer is true. Now he wrote 37 dramas. It is also true. It is also true. Okay. Now number four, his name and fame is still unrivaled. It is also true. It is also true. Then he painted only tragic type of character in his plays. So what will be the answer? As it is false, the correct answer will be, you have to write here false, I mean F. Then correct answer will be, he painted almost every type of character, every type and class of character, every type and every class of characters he painted almost every type and class of character in his plays. In his place. Okay. So dear learners, these are the answers from the true false, I mean model question 14. These are the answers. Now dear learners, fill in the gaps. People around the world are dash changing their attitude towards dash. More and more they are dash to natural cures. Natural cures are dash of natural things, most often herbs and dash. So write the answers with me in your CW copy. First one, people around the world are slowly, it will be slowly changing their attitude towards medicine. Then more and more they are turning. What will be? turning to natural curds. Natural curds are made of natural things, most often herbs and plants. So these are the answers. First one will be slowly, then second one medicine, then turning, then made, then plants. So these are the answers. Write it down in your CW copy. Dear learners, in the feedback session, I have given you here some questions for you. First one, what does the word around mean? Now, B, what do you mean by the word? Slowly. Then number C, how many eggs Imran will buy? Then D number question, what happened when Bulbul was sick? Then E number question, health is wealth, what do you mean by it? You know, it's a proverb. What do you mean by that? Now, dear learners, I am going to write down the answers. I think all of you will be able to write down the answer and will be able to answer it properly. Okay? So, now match the answer with me. First one, what does the word around mean? Here, answer will be the word on all sides. On all sides. Okay, then number B, the word slowly. Slowly means gradually. Then number C, how many eggs Imran will buy? Answer, a dozen of eggs will be bought by Imran. Then what happened when Bulbul was sick? You know, when Bulbul was sick, the whole area, the whole Shankar area in Dhaka, so the whole Shankar area became dirty and unhygienic. Dirty and unhygienic. Okay. Then health is wealth. What do you mean by that? So it's a proverb, you know. Who possesses in good health the man who possesses in good health is cheerful and active, always active, and he can help the society properly. Okay, he can help the people of the society. So health is wealth. In this way, health is wealth. Okay. So dear learners, I think you have written down the answers and you have matched the answers with me. I think all of you have written down the proper answers. Now dear learners, Here I am going to give you the homework. Dear learners, I hope all of you have done the classes properly today and you have written all the informations, the important informations properly. Now write down the homework. Here is the homework. Okay. So, thank you all for joining the class. See you in the next class. Thank you all.